उत्तर प्रदेश असेंबली इंतखाबात में बीजेपी को करारी शिकस्त होगी। विजयवाड़ा में सीपीएम लीडर बाबू राव ने ये बात कही है। उन्होंने कहा कि बीजेपी मजहब की सियासत करती है। योगी दौरे हुकूमत में अक़लियतें महफूज नहीं है। उन्हें मारने, कत्ल करने के आए दिन बयानात दिए जाते हैं। बाबू राव ने कहा कि हिंदुस्तान एक जमहूरी मुल्क है, यहाँ पर मजहब की सियासत चलने वाली नहीं है।
The BJP MLAs and ministers, they are resigning. It is continuously around 9 MLAs resigned from BJP, and most of them or all of them are joined Samajwadi Party. Definitely, that seems it will continue some more days. Who will be out from the BJP or resign from BJP, or they are joining with Samajwadi Party. Nowadays, it is a glaring example is the BJP isolated. Not only leaders, in the people also there is anger against the BJP. Narendra Modi and also Yogi, they both together, they are not in a position to regain their position in the UP. There are so many examples are there. So they are now dependent on the communal agenda, the polarization, the religious division. They are now concentrating on that. So like Dharma Samsad meetings, in that meeting hate speeches against minorities is going on. See, behind this the RSS and Sangh Parivar is there. So at the time of UP and Uttaranchal elections, it was not an isolated incident. There some link between these elections and also these meetings and hate speeches. Not only in our UP, there are so many states the BJP is trying.